everyone, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and yes, we're back with another video. So happy to have you joining us. Again, we'd like to say welcome to all of our new subscribers and thank you so much for each of you that are here. We're going to get started with our pour today, which will be a Dutch pour, and we're going to be using some romantic colors for Valentine's Day. We'll have a black base, which is the Artist Loft Floetrol black that we'll be using for just the base. And then I'll introduce the colors that we'll use for our layering colors. Okay, make sure we have our corners and all of our sides covered. Right. Okay, that looks pretty good. We'll take and pop air bubbles at this point. Alright, and if you've noticed, I have this 10 by 20 inch canvas turned to an angle, and that's because I'm going to be doing a design that I like to be able to have my hands fully capable of reaching the canvas on just the right side of my body. These wonderful stubborn air bubbles, we've got a few of them, are here. And we have to get them all out as best we can. So that's the black. The base color is the Artist Loft Floetrol black. And remember, we do list all of our colors in the description box below. All of our paints are mixed with 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, water as needed. And generally speaking, that works for me. You have to work at getting the right composition that works for you. I do have a video number 52, which is on how to get the right consistency for a Dutch pour. If you're specifically interested in looking at that, please refer to video number 52. Okay, for today, we're going to be using the Liquitex Basics Cadmium Red Deep Hue, along with the Fluorescent Pink by Liquitex Basics, Quinacridone Magenta, the Silver Argent by Liquitex Basics, and Titanium White by Blickrylic. We'll start with the red cadmium deep red hue. Okay, kind of want that going that way. All right. On top of that, I'm going to do that beautiful pink fluorescent pink. Let's get it open. That and like that. All right. Magenta. We're going to take the white at this point. And then we are taking our silver. Squeeze that open. Get a nice squeeze on that. And yes, I will wrap back around with our first color, which is the deep red. We want this color to definitely show up on this black. All right, so we have a torch here. Popping these air bubbles. And we will move all our little friends aside. And we are looking for our blow dryer to try and reach. And what I'm going to try and do, I believe, start here, move into there and back. We'll see. Oh my, that is beautiful. Beautiful. A few little splatters here. We'll just tap those right on out. But I am loving this very romantic Valentine's pour. Those colors really did merge together very well. A few air bubbles here will pop. And even though I turned this to the side, I still had to come back and go this way on that part, which is, I'm happy. I love the way the effect of it is, but I was trying to keep my body on one side. Sometimes it's a little more challenging to do that. Love, love, love what we have here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. And I'm so glad that I wrapped back around with the Cadmium Deep Red to get that on top. So we have this very romantic Dutch pour for Valentine's Day. Okay. We're wiping underneath to bring this design to rest because we want it to dry as much as possible as is. We have a few cells in here. I love, love, love that fluorescent pink. You can see it in here. There's just streamlines of it there. It is so pretty. Very pleased with the outcome. And the Liquitex Basic Silver showed up very nicely as well. No muddiness, just very crisp and clean. We'll bring you in for a close-up. Okay, my friends, we're here with the close-up. This is our 10 by 20 inch romantic Valentine's Dutch pour, and it is so pretty. Look at this. Look at this. It is just sparkling beautiful. That Argent silver. It's on top, giving it a nice shimmer to the lacing that you see in the white there. There's a few cells here. Certainly not overdone. The absolute beauty of the fluorescent pink coming through, really giving this design a nice, gorgeous shimmer and shine. As you can see, that Argent silver really is very, very pretty. I'm liking this a lot. Very pretty. Look at these cells here. Those are definitely Valentine cells right there. Those are just beautiful. Well, here we have our 10 by 20, and I think it turned out beautiful. Hope you like it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Again, like and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next video upload. Thanks for joining me as always. Bye now.